Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Joko Setiawan from regular class A. I would like to present the journal with them.
Policy implementation of employee reformance in the Secretariat of the Regional House of Representative North Lampung District. My name Joko Setiawan, NPM 17160411063. Background: The Secretariat of the Regional People Representative Council in one of the place or place for the voice of the people in the area to be accepted and implemented by the local government, not Lampung Regency government. Basically, local government is need and aims to solve various regional problems and improve the welfare of its people to achieve these goals. Regional leaders formulate a vision that they want to achieve within 5 years of their leadership, which is described in superior programs, strategic plans, performance indicators, and programs to assist at activities of its regional apparatus as outlined in the Regional Medium Farm Development Plan. The potential for the success of implementing these local government programs will be even higher if it gets support from the community. Based on the experience of many local leaders, the key to gaining community support is community trust. If the community has trusted the regional leaders and their officials, then whatever is programmed by the leaders will be supported by the community. This form of community support can be in the form of social support, energy, time, security, EDS, drugs to financial support. Good governance is the key to gaining public trust to gain public trust and achieve regional government's goals. Every government is required to implement good governance, which includes 11 principles: openness and transparency, responsibility, responsible for carrying out, responsive, accountable, fair, participate, free of corruption, affection and effective, certainty and supremacy law, sustainable development and innovation, willingness to change for the better. Formulation of the problem. Based off the background that has been described, the problem formulation in this study are: 1. How in the implementation of the policy to improve employee performance at the DPRD Secretariat of North Lampung Regency in terms of communication. 2. How is the implementation of the policy to improve employee performance at the DPRD Secretariat of North Lampung Regency in terms of human resource. Research purpose. Of course, every research carried out has a good objective of individual interest and public interest. In this study, the author aims to analyze the implementation of employee performance in the Secretariat of the Regional Government Council of North Lampung Regency. Benefit of research: to develop administrative knowledge in general and particularly regarding the implementation of policies of the DPRD Secretariat leadership in improving employee performance. 1. Theoretical benefits are: A. To provide an additional insight to all of you how the government system work well. B. As a basis for reference further research to practical benefits. Research methods. In this study, researchers asked qualitative research, which aim to obtain a complete picture of the implementation of policies carried out by the leadership of the DPRD Secretariat of North Lampung Regency in an effort to improve performance while maintaining a good image of the institution in the eyes of the community. Qualitative research deals with the ideas, perception, opinions of belief of the people studied and all of which cannot be measured by number. Data source. Primary data is data taken from informant. The following data were obtained directly from the data source in the DPRD North Lampung Secretariat. 1. DPRD Secretary. 2. Head of Public Relation and Protocol. 3. General Staffing Division. Staff 3 people of the DPRD Secretariat of Policy Implementer. Secondary data is data obtained through intermediaries, which are direct data obtained from books or records or exciting advance of archive the or published or not published is input for the research concern. Research sites DPRD North Lampung located in the natural city of South Kotabumi District, North Lampung. Chapter 2, Literature Review. Theory and Model of Public Policy Implementation in Science. Theory is very important to use. Theory is the basis for every activity in the academic environment. Griffith in Zauhar argues that theory is essentially a series of assumptions from which a series of empirical laws can be derived. The theory cannot be proven through direct experimentation, but there are model methods that can explain the theory in administration, especially in public policy matters. The essence of theory is also very important according to Zauhar. The function of administrative theory. 1. Guideline for action. 2. Greater effects. 3. According new knowledge for describe the nature of administration. Theory and model of generation 1. Public policy implementation. Top-down. The author conclude that the top-down model implementation intended by the government which the community must follow. This model basically follow a prescriptive approach. The interest policy as input and implementation as an output factor. Due to their emphasis on the decision of central policymaker, De Leon 2001. This model explains the policy performance is influenced by several interest variables. These variables are 1. 2. Research. 3. Characteristic of implementing. 4. Attitude. 5. Interorganization communication and implementing activities. 6. Economic, social, and political environment. Chapter 3. Discussion analysis. Quality of service of the Secretariat of the Regional Representative Council Secretariat, or what is now as the Secretariat of the DPRD North Lampung, is an element of service to the regional people. Representative Council. Optimal service is an important aspect in improving the image of the DPRD in society. 3, 4. In an effort to improve service quality, we always priority the aspect of responsibility, empathy. These concepts are always a concern even though there are other supporting aspects. Conclusion and recommendation. Conclusion. The reformat of the North Lampung DPRD Secretariat in carrying out its main tasks and functions still needs a lot of improvement to get maximum result. As along as there are still many obstacles encountered so that they can hinder the performance of the North Lampung DPRD Secretariat. According to George C. Edward B. recommendation, it is suggestion to increase the frequency of communication so that there is synergy between lines. The occurrence of good communication with direct communication channel will support the increase in the implementation of the North Lampung DPRD policy. It is suggested to improve the quality of human resource in according with empirical conditions. This can be done by bringing in administrative accordance with express and human resource express to that they can help implementasi policies at the DPRD Secretariat is not Lampung. Thanks for watching and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Udah Dan. Gimana Dan? Pakai pakai. Dan, gimana lagi? Ada nggak videonya Dan? Gila lama bener ya. Lama bener Dan.